Hey folks, this is Dr. Jeff coming to you oceanside from Islamorada. Beautiful ocean, beautiful sun all day long. And the important thing about this is that many of you work hard. It doesn't matter if you're a single mom or you're a CEO or a mid-level manager or have your own business. People work hard. It's important to feed yourself healthy food, take time to rest and exercise, drink lots of water, and most importantly, get outside, get some fresh air, enjoy the beautiful sun, and get a break from what your routine is, away from where you work, away from your home, and just take time to relax and enjoy yourself. And you will create the amazing life that you came here for.